What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video with Pandemic Motorsports. This time was my time, and we're about to add the harness bar onto my roll cage because it was missing one. This is the way I bought it, but don't worry, it is an authentic Auto Power. I checked with the serial number directly with them and they confirmed it, so we're good. So anyways, recently I bought the harnesses, the racing harness for my seat, and I was missing the harness bar, as you guys can see. So we are adding it today and we'll see how it comes out, how it turns out. Hey, what's up again, guys? So real quick, I want to show you guys the finisher product. So we just got done installing the harness bar on the roll bar. So now I'm going to be able to run my harness, my racing harness that I got here. I went with the Corbels, so it's good. 3 inches. Also, Tony gave me a hand with the issue that I had with the clutch safety switch, so we ended up bypassing it, so the car starts now with no clutch. That feels good. And the reason is because I'm going to upgrade the torque mounts that I got here. Currently waiting on the other 3 motor mounts that apparently are on back order or something like that. That's what the guy told me. So I'm just waiting on it right now. And currently waiting on a couple other goodies that are on the way, and just showing you guys that I've been putting in some work with the car, and hopefully we'll see you guys on the next video with more upgrades and maybe on the way to the track finally.